Hello everyone. I am so excited to see you. Today, we will learn how to use first-person pronouns and second-person pronouns. Let's get started. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. What is a first-person pronoun? Let's have a look. First person or personal pronouns are used when you are talking about yourself. First person pronouns are I, me, my, mine, and myself. Second person pronouns are used when you are talking to someone else. Second person pronouns are you, your, yours, and yourself. In this lesson, we will practice me, my, mine, and you, your, yours. Let's begin. You can say, "This is my toy." Or you can say, "This toy belongs to me." Or you can say, "This toy is mine." You can say, "This is my bike." Or, "This bicycle belongs to me." Or you can say, "This bicycle is mine." Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the blanks for me? Go ahead, I'm listening. You got it! These are my gloves. These gloves belong to me. These gloves are mine. Great! Can you fill in the blanks for me? Go ahead. That's it. This is my hat. This hat belongs to me. This hat is mine. Let's try one more time. Go ahead, fill in the blanks. That's right. This is my book. This book belongs to me. This book is mine. Great work, guys. You did well. Now let's practice second person pronouns. You can say, "This is your ball." This ball belongs to you. Or you can say, "This ball is yours." You can say, "This is your bike." Or, "This bike belongs to you." Or you can say, "This bike is yours." Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the blanks for me? Go ahead. That's it. This is your candy. This candy belongs to you. This candy is yours. Well done. Can you fill in the blanks for me? You got it. This is your pencil. This pencil belongs to you. This pencil is yours. Let's try one more time. Go ahead, fill in the blanks. That's right. This is your bracelet. This bracelet belongs to you. This bracelet is yours. Well done. You did wonderful. That will be all for today. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what a pronoun is. I know what first person and second person pronouns are. I can use some first person and second person pronouns appropriately.